In this section, you will learn how you can create a new project and edit it with the visual editor. Let's create a new project. We do that by clicking on Create New Project, and that opens up a dialog that tells us two ways of creating a project. One is from scratch, the other is from a repository. When creating from scratch, all we need to do is enter the name of a project. For example, I could say classification, and that allows me to then create the project. The other option is to clone it from an existing Git repository where you would enter the URL of the Git repository and choose a project name and click clone. We're just going to click on create project and it will create a project called classification, which is shown here. And by default, the project is enabled. When we create a project, it offers a new icon with a set of buttons. One is an edit button that lets us configure the project. A second is a launch button that lets us view the output of the project. In this case, it's just a page that says, welcome to Gramix. That's what a starting project looks like. It allows us to hibernate or enable the project, and a set of dropdowns that allow us to deploy the project on a Docker container, as well as allow us to delete the project. We're going to focus more on what happens when we edit the project. That's where the primary focus of building a low-code application is going to be.